What you are about to see is the PowerDrive steel pier installation. The foundation wall is excavated to the footer. The installer places the pier head lifting bracket under the footer and bolts it to the wall. The pier drive stand and hydraulic drive cylinder are attached to the pier head. Then, the piers are driven to bedrock or load-bearing strata. The walls are then lifted back up to as close to original as possible. The excavations are then backfilled and soils power tamped to original grade level. Our crews then complete the cleanup of the job site.